Human beings live with the awareness of mortality, and this existential fact profoundly shapes reproductive motivations. The desire for legacy, to leave something enduring beyond one's lifetime, often drives individuals to see children as an extension of self and lineage. Parenthood offers symbolic continuity, a way to transcend the inevitability of death by passing forward one's values, culture, and genes. This motivation becomes particularly salient in middle adulthood, where existential reflection tends to intensify and identity becomes increasingly tied to broader life purpose. The causal flow of this triad reveals how mortality awareness can directly influence identity construction and, in turn, reproductive intent. For many, integrating parenthood into a personal sense of meaning creates coherence between existential concerns and practical choices. By becoming part of something larger, a family line, a cultural tradition, a legacy of care, individuals find reassurance in continuity. However, this is not universal. Some resolve mortality anxieties through alternative meaning systems, investing in creative works, careers, or philosophical frameworks instead of children. In these cases, the drive to reproduce may diminish, not because mortality fears are absent, but because they are addressed differently. These variations explain generational and cultural shifts in reproductive trends, particularly in societies where secularization and individualism have grown. When meaning can be derived from multiple domains, procreation competes with other paths to symbolic immortality, leading to declining birth rates despite biological capacity. Conversely, where identity formation is closely tied to family and community roles, mortality salience often amplifies reproductive urgency. In this way, the triad reveals how existential psychology interacts with cultural context to shape not just the decision to have children, but the personal narratives that make those choices meaningful.